Let's say you are sitting on a chair because you got nothing to do. Open your phone and go on Instagram and whichever app makes you feel miserable and makes you doubt your self-existence. You see, well, you open that app, you see all these amazing artists, you question yourself, maybe I'm not talented enough. These guys are fucking talented. Maybe art is not for me. Shut this bullshit because God isn't going to give you passion and talent for same thing. That's extremely rare. Whenever you see artists, most of them are there because they practice, not because they are talented. Well, let's take example of Vlog. Like everyone says that he is so talented, this and that, but that person is drawing for fucking 15 years. Okay, that's a lot of time, and he didn't skip a fucking single year. So yeah, he practiced a lot. That's why he's there. Well, right now your brain gonna ask, but I see 11-year-old humans do better than me. Well, here I'm trying to be funny by calling humans. Well, first of all, they do better because as child we get interested more in things and we spend a lot of time there and they have fucking time which you don't. So stop comparing yourself to them or saying I'm not talented enough because that's bullshit. You just don't want to work harder. Go and draw and enjoy it instead of saying, what if I never improve? What if I'm not talented? You are amazing and you can do it. Believe in yourself. These days, humans have become aware that mental health is important as physical health, and because of that, we just think about our mental health. And sometimes it is okay because our brain sometimes need rest from all of the fucks given around us. But we are forgetting that we have to take care of physical health too. If you sit for fucking 8 hours and don't do any like walking or stretching, your body gonna fuck you up. So take care of it. Go for walk, cycling, or whatever easy for you because I know you are not going to do something hard. So do something easy. Don't fucking draw all day. Well, there are some people who are like me who used to think that if I draw all day, I will improve. I need to practice to that in order to improve. Well, yeah, that's true. You need to practice to that in order to improve fast. I did so and it made me feel miserable. It made me feel like, oh fuck, why the heck I'm drawing? So, like, if you are drawing for the sake of improving only, then draw it. But if you're doing art to make yourself feel good, satisfied, and all of this stuff, then take breaks. Okay, don't fucking draw all day. Go spend time with your family if you can, or like just go outside. Go do something else because sitting will only kill your brain. Take care of your health, both physical and mental. You are here to suffer for long. Don't. I love drawing, so I should be happy while doing it. Really? Stop this mindset. It's bullshit because it makes you fucking miserable. Like, doing what you love doesn't make you happy, it makes you satisfied, and both are completely different feelings. And the thing called satisfaction doesn't happen after every artwork. It really happens. It happened to me twice since I started drawing. It made me proud of myself. I felt amazing. I felt amazing that I am doing something amazing. I can draw anything. It's amazing feeling. That's why it happens rarely. So, and it is different from happiness. When you follow your passion, it doesn't mean it makes you walk day and night or it makes you happy. It doesn't do anything like that. Any motivational video you see, if they tell you that it makes you automatically walk day and night, it doesn't work like that. You have to work for it. Like, I want to fucking lie down and watch anime, which I left in middle. I want to watch a lot of K-dramas, but I can't do that because I have to do something more important than those. Yeah, you have to take the responsibility of that. Passion doesn't make things easy. It just makes you suffer. It makes you choose the suffering, which one suffering you wanna choose. When my art doesn't look good, I feel terrible. Well, it doesn't look good. When it doesn't look good, it makes me doubt my self-existence. When I want to give up on art, it makes me wonder why the fuck I even started. It's fucking suffering, but I chose this suffering. This suffering is better than the suffering I faced when I was studying. So yeah, it is better. Choose your fucking suffering. It's not full of roses and stuff like that. It's going to be hard, maybe harder than the studies, but it's fun, so it's fine. Observing and copying. This is like like the most important thing other than those above ones. You go on Pinterest again, you find references, you find this pose amazing, it looks amazing. You like the lighting, without any second thought, you start a piece. Midway, you feel like shit because it's not going the way you wanted it to, because it's fucking hard for your tiny yet powerful brain to do in first time. Well, calm down, my dear humans. Yes, I'm trying to be funny again. When you find something amazing, first ask yourself, can you do it? If you are confident, like I can fuck it up, I can do it, you make it look good, then do it. Don't take impossible thing and think that you can do it like in first try. It's not going to happen. Observe, like when you start a piece, at least observe for 30 minutes before starting it, because you will know that you're gonna fuck it up or you're gonna make it good, or you're gonna know that in those 30 minutes. And like observation is like the fucking, it's so fucking hard. Like I have been drawing for a long some time, and I can only, like at most I can sit and observe or art for 30 minutes at most. It's so hard. Well, it's like it sounds easy that you can go sit and stare at the fucking picture for 30 minutes, and the thing is you have to stare at picture for one picture at 30 minutes. It's so hard. Copying, you see me here copying Gues. Well, I fucking love him so much. Not sexually, I mean his artworks. And his voice is adorable too, but whatever. Copying is fine, but don't post it without credit. Well, it would be amazing if you don't post it all. Well, I learned it later on. Like if you go on my Instagram, you can see Gues pic. I didn't remove it because Gue is my idol, so I want him to see. I copied him once. Well, leave that matter. Copying is amazing skill and you can acquire as artists. So copy art of people who draw well and learn a lot from them because it helps a lot. Don't copy a lot too, because there will be point when you would be able to replicate the same art of anyone you are practicing, but you wouldn't be able to draw from other references, so it's gonna fuck you up in both ways. Like that's kind of sword with two edges. If it goes either ways, it's gonna fuck you up. So yeah, that's all for today. Peace.